Hello children, welcome to the EVS class. In today's class, we are discussing about a new topic that is season. Okay, so what do you mean by season? Do you have any idea about it? Yes, cold season, hot season, rainy season, yeah, wind season. Yes, like this, you know about some of the seasons. Children, in India, there are 4 seasons. Mainly, we have 4 seasons. Okay, take some example, children. Now, in a day, sometimes when you are wake up early in the morning, you feel very cold, right, children? So after some time, you feel like it's very hot, right, children? So after some time, you feel like windy, right, children? So like this, in day, there will be a small changes. Is no time to time there will be a small changes in our surroundings, the weather. So we call that as the weather. Means the condition of the air around us is called weather. So weather may change from time to time. Okay. So the condition of the air around us is called weather. So the word weather is a condition of the air around us. Okay. So it will be, the weather will be changing from time to time. Right, children? Now, when the weather remains same, when the weather remains same for a long time, so we call it as seasons. So seasons means what? When the weather remains same for a long time is called seasons. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about the 4 seasons. In India we are having mainly 4 seasons, that is summer, winter, monsoon and spring. Okay, now let us discuss one by one about this seasons. So summer season. What do you mean by summer season? How the weather will be there in the summer season? Yes, children, in the summer season, the weather is very hot. Right, children? So it's very hot, no? So what we will do that time? Yes, we will wear cotton clothes. As no? So we will use light cotton clothes we are wearing during summer, and we use coolers and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. Right, children? To keep our body cool. What are the things we are going to use? We will use coolers. At home we'll use coolers or air conditioners. Okay, so during the summer season, we are going to drink more cool drinks and we are going to have lots of ice creams. Yes, no, children, which is very cool, those type of things we are going to have. Which keeps our body cool, those things we are going to have during summer season. Okay, so in the summer season, the days are very hot. The days is very hot. So to keep ourselves cool, we will wear cotton clothes, which is very light cotton clothes, and we are going to use coolers and air conditioners, and we are going to drink more and more cool drinks, water, right, children, and the ice creams. Yes, this is about your summer season. Now let us have a look at winter season. What do you mean by winter season? See, children, winter season is very cold. Okay, so if it is cold, what you will do? You will wear the woolen clothes. That is like a sweaters, jackets, loafers. Like this you are going to wear during the winter season. Okay, so in this winter season, we are going to wear woolen clothes, and in hilly areas there will be a snowfall. Okay, so in winter season, in hilly areas we can see the snowfall. Now let us talk about the monsoon season. Monsoon season is nothing but rainy season. Okay, so often and often it will be raining. So what you will do that time? What you are going to do? Yes, you don't like to go outside only. Right, children? We cannot go out. We cannot play outside. right children? So what you will do, if you want to go outside, you're going to wear the raincoats or you carry the umbrella when you go outdoor. Okay, then it's very cloudy. Okay, during the rainy season, the climate is very cloudy. You don't feel like going outside. This is about the monsoon season. Next, we'll see the spring season. Spring season falls between winter and summer. Okay, this season, spring season falls between the summer season and the winter season. So here what happens during the spring season? New leaves grows. Okay, and the flowers bloom. Okay, have you seen the flowers blooming? Yes, the surrounding will be very pleasant to see. Right children? So this spring season, new leaves will grow and flowers will bloom. Okay, so this season we call it as queen of the season. Okay, which season we call it as queen of the season? Yes, spring season we call it as queen of the season. Okay, this is more information about the seasons. Now let us read the textbook. Lesson number 16, seasons. Some days are hot, some days are cold. Some days are windy, on some days it rains. The condition of the air around us is called weather. Okay, as I told you, some days are hot, some days are cold also, and some days are windy also. So, the condition of this, the condition of the air around us, we call it as weather. Okay, you can observe the picture in your textbook. Hot day. See the hot day, a cold day, a windy day, and a rainy day. Okay, here the weather changes from time to time. It even changes during the same day many times. So, for example, it may be sunny in the morning, cloudy in the afternoon, and rainy in the evening. So, as I told you that the weather changes. Okay, for one day only the weather will be changed. So like this, they have given the example that in the morning it will be sunny and in the afternoon it will be cloudy and during the evening times it may rain. Okay, this is weather. Now when the weather remains same for a long time, we call it a season. What do you mean by this? When the weather remains same for the long time, it won't change day to day or time to time. The same day, the weather won't change. It remains for the some days. Okay, some of the long days, it remains same. The weather remains same. That we call it as seasons. So we have 4 main seasons in India. We have 4 main seasons in India: summer, winter, monsoon and spring. Let us read about these seasons now. First, the summer. During summer, the days are hot. People like to wear light cotton clothes in this season. As now children, we use coolers or air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. We enjoy cool drinks and ice creams. So during summer season, the days are very hot. We use, what type of clothes you are going to use? Yes, cotton clothes you are going to use during summer season. Then we use coolers and air conditioners. Why will you use coolers and air conditioners in summer? To keep ourselves cool. Okay. Then we drink cool drinks and ice creams during summer season. Next, monsoon. We'll talk about the monsoon season. Monsoon is also called rainy season. Monsoon is also called rainy season. During this season, the days are cloudy. It often rains. People use raincoats and umbrellas when we go outdoors. Okay, as I told you, monsoon is the rainy season, so we cannot go out. It is not comfortable to play outside. So what we will do? We will sit inside the house, and if we want to go outdoors, what we will do? We'll carry the umbrellas. Otherwise, we are going to wear the raincoats to go outdoors. Next, winter. During winter, the days are very cold. People like to wear woolen clothes. We enjoy tea and coffee. In winter, the hilly areas have snowfall. As I told you, during winter season, the days are very, very cold. Okay, so during very cold season, what you will do? You will wear the woolen clothes. Okay, woolen clothes keeps us warm. So we are going to wear the woolen clothes during winter season, and often and often we are having like drinking like tea and coffee. We will drink tea and coffee to for what we will drink tea and coffee? To keep our body warm. Okay. Then spring season. The spring season falls between winter and summer. Flowers bloom and new leaves grow on plants during this time. Okay. The spring is so pleasant that it is called the queen of the seasons. Okay, spring season, when it falls between the summer and winter seasons. Okay, spring season is in between the summer and winter season. During the spring seasons, flowers bloom and the new leaves grow on the plants. Okay, so it is very pleasant to see, right children? So pleasant. So this season we call it as queen of the seasons. Okay, now let us talk about the rainbow. Have you seen the rainbow, children? Yes. Where you have seen the rainbow? In the sky. You see a rainbow after the rain stops. Okay, when you are going to see this rainbow? When rain comes and stops, during that time you can see the rainbows. Okay, how many colors it has? Rainbow? 7 colors. Okay, what are the colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the colors we can see in the rainbow. That is Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay, so the word Vibgyor is composed of the first letters of the colors in the rainbow. Okay, understood children? Now the condition of the air around us is called what? Weather. Means what is weather? Means what you are going to give the answer? The condition of the air around us is called weather. Okay. What is season then? When the weather remains same for a long time, it is called a season. Right children? Next, how many seasons are there in India? Yes, there are 4 main seasons in the India. That is summer, winter, monsoon and spring. Which season is called queen of the season? Spring season is called queen of the season. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson children. Okay, thank you.